In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create block quotes in Jira comments. If you've ever been replying to a specific note inside a Jira issue and your comment turned into one long, messy paragraph, this will help. Block quotes are a simple way to separate quoted text from your own response, making comments much easier to scan during bug reviews, sprint planning, or technical discussions. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site. If needed, sign in through the official Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the project you're working in and select the issue, task, story, or bug ticket where you want to leave your comment. When the issue opens, scroll down to the activity section near the bottom. Click inside the comment field to activate the editor. As soon as you do that, Jira's rich text editing tools should appear, letting you format your comment more easily. The fastest way to create a block quote is to click into an empty line in the comment box, type the greater than symbol, and then press the space bar once. Jira will immediately convert that line into a block quote. This is the quickest option if you like working from the keyboard, and it's especially useful when you're writing comments quickly during reviews. If that shortcut feels awkward on your keyboard, there's another method. Start on a blank line, type a /, then type the word quote and press enter. Jira will insert the same quote formatting for you. This /command method is handy if you already use inline commands in the editor and want a smooth menu-free workflow. There's also a mouse-based option if you prefer using the toolbar. With the comment field active, move up to the editor toolbar and look for the quote block icon. Click it once, and Jira will place the block quote formatting into your comment. It achieves the same result, so you can simply use whichever method feels most natural. Once the block quote is in place, type or paste the text you want to quote inside it. After that, press enter to move out of the quote block, then type your own response underneath. This helps keep the original note clearly separated from your reply. Before you save, take a quick look over the layout. Make sure the quoted text is visually indented and that your response appears clearly below it. When everything looks right, click Save to publish the comment. That's it. You now know how to create clean, readable block quotes in Jira comments so your team conversations stay organized and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.